Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Trader. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. And this session I'm going to talk about my advanced option strategy and a monthly update on our Google Sheet scanner. And today we are completing the July contract is expired on monthly basis. So how this month is going on and how we find out a trade opportunity based on our advanced option strategy, and also along with our Google Sheet how we find out an opportunities that I'm going to discuss in this video. So our based on our monthly positional strategy, we are going to look at the stocks on a monthly basis. So we calculating the stocks levels and we are planning a trade based on the level with our advanced option strategy. And this month we are facing some election result. That's why the IV of all the stocks where it is very high. And after that the IV is dropped after an election result, and IV is dropped, and now market is moving higher. Some of the stocks are not moved yet. So based on our monthly positional strategy, so at this moment, so almost 31 stocks, almost 34 stocks, more than 50% gain from the option price from our entry point based on our advanced option strategy concept. And this almost most of the entries, it was an re-entry only. So because in the first week of June, so we have an exit poll and also election result. In exit poll, market went 800 point positive. So that time maybe some stocks given you a call opportunity, and after next day near about 2000 points down, it made a maximum low of 2000 points. So that time, so majority of the put side will trigger the target. Okay, so in this month beginning itself, we are suggesting to hedging kind of trade. That would be better. So if you are doing an hedging, first day it should be a call side, and second day it should be entirely on put side. So mostly most of the trades that was generating our entry point. So for example, how it is a re-entry. So re-entry means already that entry. So let me an example with an Ultratech or a Dixon 9400. So that I'm going to tell you Dixon 9400. Call option was giving you such a good move from here. And this is what on day. On the 3rd of June, it went up to 760. Our entry point for that is 931. In this case, it is not triggered. This is a fresh entry where we got an opportunity on 10th of May only. This is the fresh entry. And Ultratech 9900 is the monthly strike price. Let me check that Ultratech 9900. We should check for a call option. Okay, and this is not a liquid yet. Okay, so something. So what we are finding out, these are all the stocks which I am looking for and good. So Titan 3700. Let me go for a Titan 3700. And wait. This is a June contract. Yeah. So let me go for an REC 540. Okay, sorry. REC DD 540 call option. Initially, you can look at this on the day where it is moving higher on May 10th and June 5th. It is not happening. July. We need to take a June contract. Yeah. So here is the first day where it is moving 78. Our entry point on REC. So maybe now it is not in the call side. 540 71.4 is on our entry point. At this moment, it is closed 0 because on expiry day, it is not settled here. Here it is closed at 0.5. But this particular day, on 3rd of that month, so we got an opportunity where we find out an opportunity around 71. That is a call strike price. That is an entry point. That is a breakout point. Okay, same time. So let me go for an REC put side. That REC 67. And now it is closed around 16. So here the call side entry point is 71, and put side entry point is 67. Okay, so the total premium is somewhere around 138 total premium. So it is a huge one. I think lot size also be slightly higher. So huge margin required. So if you are doing a hedging kind of trade, what would happen? Okay, and this one it not moved, and the same time REC put option of 540. June contract. So in this case, in the first day where it is trading near about 27, here almost it went up to 127. That is the movement which is happening from that point. Sorry, this is what an entry point, not a total premium. This is an entry point. Sorry, this is an entry point. So total premium maybe here where you can see almost that particular day 35. So this may be a 35, almost 138, 35, and this should be around 33. So almost near about 68 or 70 total premium, and it one premium went up to 120. So that is giving you such a good result if you are doing an edging. If you are naked trade, first call should be stop loss, and then put should be giving you the target. But after that it moves down. So because of this result, election result. Okay. So finally, so we have a lot of stocks. These are all the 15 stocks which I selected for the month of June, and most of the stocks triggers a put side target, and some of them are now triggering in a call side. Okay, so let me check, and these are all the stocks. Like from those list, I just finding LIC Housing Finance 630 June call option. So let me check here in the day. It went up to 66. Our entry point on LIC 59. So maybe here it has triggered our entry point. Next day it came down to 9 rupees because of the result. And again re-entry only it is happening here this point. So near about 58. Our entry points 59.6. Maybe it is not giving you the opportunity, but that was most. So whatever the stock which shown on this list is mostly re-entry only, not a fresh breakout, because this month entirely different. The first week itself up and down side, both the sides market moves, and some of the stocks, one or two stocks only we can look for on positional fresh entries like Dixon and Ultratech 9900. What is happening Ultra? Because we find out this on the 9900 Ultratech. Ultra Tech 9900. Ultratech 9900 call option. Okay, on June contract. I think it is not in liquidate. So let me remove it. So only liquid stocks we are looking for. So from those almost 36 stocks which is happening, but in a put side, so I think most of the stocks which triggers our target points in the day itself, that resulted day. But this is what a final result. And this week, so this week is entirely different because of physical delivery. But even though we have a lot of stocks which triggers this week, almost double the premium is near about 13 stocks in a call set. As a mixed view, some of the stocks given you put side opportunities also, like a Jindal, DLF, Aeropharma, and NMDC. But call side Ultratech, ICICI, and Axis Bank and Kotak Bank. So these are all the banks are giving you such a good result. Carl said this is a weekly positional based on the concept where we are using to find out a trade opportunity on weekly ones. So this sheet is going to update it every week, and tomorrow the sheet is live, and monthly sheet also be going to live. But the strike price and entry price would not be changed. The monthly sheet which is going to updated from the 1st of March, sorry, 1st of July. That is next Monday onwards, the monthly sheet would be updated, and this weekly sheet is updated for tomorrow, but only one day it is valid. It's not for a positional. So maybe you can utilize for an intraday trade only, even weekly sheet which you are looking at tomorrow. Monthly sheet, whatever the trades which you are finding tomorrow, it would be not a right one. So you should avoid on Fridays, Mondays trade opportunities. And intraday it is a cash issue. So from tomorrow we can find out an opportunity or the stocks given you the breakout on Camarilla R4. And today's entire different concept of expiry. So we are not able to take a trade because of huge margin required for taking ITM options, and we mostly prefer to take an ITM option. So we are not using any trades, and we are not finding any opportunities from today also. So that is the reason we are telling you the concepts where we are going to use it for the monthly one and as well as intraday. So a lot of stock may given. So but mostly, for example, today's in R4 breakout LTM entry 5200. LTAM 5200 call option, where it is given you the breakout on R4, whether it is triggers on the second candle or first candle. 5200 call option on June contract. So let me add a pivot point, so you can see that breakout which is happening. So this is a valid breakout, but the breakout is happening around 12 o'clock, and it came down to stop loss, and then it boom bounces back. So mostly expiry day is entirely different concept. So simply we are avoiding that expiry days, and tomorrow you will be utilizing our weekly and intraday sheet only for intraday purpose. And next Monday, weekly sheet, monthly sheet, and intraday all together is going to update it, and you can utilize that for an intraday trade opportunities. And also I'm just planning to create scanners also in charting basis, but charting it doesn't provide the option scanner. So why we built an scanner in a Google sheet that is working very well for to finding out the trades in intraday, positional, as well as weekly based. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. I hope you understood the concepts of this Google sheet. And if you would like to access this Google sheet, you just ping me on my WhatsApp number. It's a paid tool, so you can also access. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you're not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.